Hi everyone, in this video we discuss EOQ. First we thought the concept of EOQ, then we are going to solve the problem of EOQ. EOQ means, here the E stands for economic, O stands for order and Q stands for quantity. So EOQ means economic, order, quantity. It is an important technique or method used by an organization to control their inventories. Okay, it is the important technique for controlling inventories. This model was proposed by Harris in 1915 and further developed by Wilson in 1928. This model is popularly known as Wilson lot size formula. Okay, while purchasing a material, the important questions arise as to what quantity should be purchased or what quantity should be ordered. That quantity is known as EOQ. EOQ is the ordering quantity. It is, example, 1000 units, 500 units. So, it is a quantity that you ordered. The quantity must be ordered should be neither too large or less. So, the size of the order, how much to be ordered, that is what is EOQ. So, the size of the quantity, the size of the order must be economical. This means that the quantity most favorable, most beneficial at the time of purchase. That means the quantity become optimum. That quantity is known as EOQ. Just see the meaning of EOQ. EOQ is the ordering quantity which minimizes the total cost of inventory. We already said that the quantity become economical. Okay, the quantity become economical for the factory or the business firm to make an order. So, the quantity, the size of the order, the size of the quantity must be economical. Okay, if you make an order in that quantity, what happens? The total cost of inventory become minimum. Here, the total cost of inventory comprises of carrying cost and ordering cost. So, what is carrying cost and ordering cost? When you purchase a material, there are three types of costs are involved. First was purchase cost, second one is ordering cost, and third one is carrying cost. Purchase cost is nothing, the cost incurred in procuring the material. That means what you pay for purchase a goods, purchase a raw material. If a car manufacturing company, they need 500 units, that means their annual consumption is 500 units. Okay, so they want to purchase the raw material from the supplier. Okay, the cost per unit is 10. So they must pay the 5,000 rupees. That means 500 into 10 is equal to 5,000. The total cost for purchasing a raw material. So the company must pay 5,000 rupees for purchasing the 500 units of material. That cost will be known as purchase cost. This cost will always fixed by the organization or company. Okay, next one is ordering cost. Ordering cost is cost relating to purchasing and placing an order. This cost may incur each and every time you make an order. Okay, for example, transportation charges, shipping charges, etc. Next one is carrying cost. Carrying cost is a cost of holding or carrying of inventory. That means storage cost. After making an order, you receive the raw material from the supplier. So they want to store in a proper place like godown or warehouse, etc. So some costs are incurred for storing of raw materials in warehouse and godown. Such cost will be a carrying cost. If such raw materials are destroyed, that is why we get insurance also. Okay, so the carrying cost is nothing, it is a storage cost. For example, rent and insurance of store or storekeeper salaries. These are the examples of carrying cost. Okay, we already said that purchase costs are fixed, but the carrying cost and ordering cost will have a negative relationship. That means if the carrying cost is more, the ordering cost will be less. If the carrying cost will less, the ordering cost will more. Just see the graphical representation of quantity and cost. Here the x-axis show the quantity and y-axis show the cost. When you increase the quantity of order or quantity of material, what happens? The ordering cost will decrease and the carrying cost will increase. Okay. In certain point, the ordering cost and carrying cost will equal or minimum. That point is known as EOQ. It is the best quantity that you ordered. This show the negative relationship between the ordering cost and carrying cost, and the certain point, that means the point at which the carrying cost and ordering cost will be equal, that point is known as EOQ. The best quantity you have to order the material or goods or services. Okay. Just next we see the equations or formula used for calculating EOQ. The EOQ is equal to square root of 2CO divided by I, where the C stands for annual consumption and O stands for cost of placing an order and I stands for annual carrying cost per unit. Okay. Just to say a problem of EOQ. From the following data, calculate EOQ from the following information and also calculate the number of orders to be placed in an year. Here, annual consumption is given. The annual consumption is 10,000 kilogram. Cost of placing an order, rupees 50. Cost per kg of material, rupees 2. And storage cost, 8% of average inventory. Okay. We want to find out EOQ. Already we know the equations or formula used for EOQ. The EOQ is equal to square root of 2CO divided by I. Here we want to find out annual consumption, ordering cost and carrying cost. Annual consumption is given directly rupees 10,000 per kg. Okay. Then carrying cost we want to find out and ordering cost will be given directly rupees 50. And carrying cost how to find out? Here given the storage cost is 8% on average inventory. So we want to find out carrying cost 8% of rupees 2. How much? 0.16. So these values are applied in the equation. Okay, let's see. EOQ is equal to square root of 2 into 10,000 into 50 divided by 0.16. Okay, we get 2,500 kilogram. That is the EOQ, the best quantity you have to order. Okay, that is the EOQ EOQ is equal to 2,500 kilogram. Next, we want to find out number of orders to be placed in an year. Okay, so the equation used for find out number of orders to be placed in an year is equal to annual consumption divided by EOQ. Annual consumption is given directly 10,000 and EOQ already find out is equal to 2,500. So 10,000 divided by 2,500, get 4 orders. That means the organization or the company placing 4 orders in a year. This is the solution to the problem. Okay, so let us conclude in this video. Today we discuss about EOQ and a problem about EOQ. EOQ is nothing, it is the ordering quantity that you is the ordering quantity which minimizes the total cost of inventory. The total cost of inventory means ordering cost and carrying cost, the sum of ordering cost and carrying cost. Ordering cost is the cost relating to purchasing and placing an order, and carrying cost is the storage cost. The formula used for EOQ is equal to square root of 2CO divided by I. This is the formula used for calculating EOQ. Okay, Thank you.